Unraveling the game. What does match draw mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss that's commonly used in sports and competition contexts. We're going to explore the phrase, match draw, and how it's used in the English language. If you've been following sports or enjoy playing games, this phrase might have crossed your path. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, match draw, or simply, draw, refers to a result of a game or match where there is no winner. In competitive events, a draw happens when both teams or players end the game with the same score, or when the game ends in a state where neither side is declared the victor. Draws are common in sports like football, soccer, cricket, chess, and other games where there are scoring systems or objectives that can end in equality. But why does it matter? Well, in tournaments or league matches, a draw can affect the rankings and the progression of teams. When a match ends in a draw, it can have various implications. In leagues, both teams receive a point each, which could be crucial for their standing in the league table. It's often seen as a fair outcome, especially when both teams have performed equally well. In knockout tournaments or playoffs, a draw may lead to additional play like extra time or a penalty shootout to ensure there is a clear winner. So, in some cases, a draw is only a temporary state before the game is pushed towards a decisive result. Let's look at how to incorporate match draw into your English conversations. Here are a few examples. Yesterday's football match ended in a draw. If the next game is a match draw, our team still has a chance to qualify for the finals. The chess tournament was intense, and 2 rounds ended in a draw. Noticing how draw is used here can help you understand the context better when you encounter this phrase while watching sports or reading news articles. In some cultures, a draw can be met with mixed emotions. Fans may feel relief if their team avoids a loss in a crucial game, or disappointment if a draw feels like a missed opportunity to win. It's also interesting how different sports deal with draws. For instance, some sports have very specific and elaborate rules to break a tie, reflecting their unique nature. That's all for today's video on the phrase, match draw. We hope you now have a better understanding of this common phrase in the sporting world and can use it correctly in English. Remember, learning a language is like playing a game. Sometimes, it's a clear win. Other times, it's a draw, but the important part is to keep playing. Until next time, keep practicing your English and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning videos. See you soon!